What I used to call you. They tell me you want me, but I hear they got you. They made you a lawman with a badge made.
There you go, you were on the right edge. To the left. You don't have a level on that thing.
I know, I'm gonna get one. Oh, okay.
Impact. Just a little bit high dead center. Impact. One
on actually held off of the.
Or Matt. I'm just steady on the.
You're just not getting done with your first shot? Oh.
No, he shot twice.
Number 4 is nice. It's not bad, is it? Can't wait.
Oh yeah.
I can see everything.
The wind kicked up because I just shot the little blade again.
Yep. Broke the small plate off the rack.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah. Looks like nothing there.
Impact.
Ready?
Yep. Impact. Dead center.
Ready?
Yep. Impact. Sweetheart shit.
Impact before you go.
Impact.
That's a little louder.
I'm talking like a big impact.
I'm gonna ring the bell.
Okay.
That's a solid
Oh, you
hit.
broke it!
Woohoo! I think he did.
No one's having fun no more.
Okay.
The wind kicked up because I just shot the little blade again.
Yep.
But this ain't about me, and this ain't about you. All the good and the bad times we've both been through. When the lines between brothers and justice have changed, you do what you got.